All right, so a very warm welcome to Kavya. Kavya, who is a mentor to coaches and healers and an amazing tarot reader, money Reiki healer, and inner child healer, who is now guiding others to step into their gifts with a lot of clarity, confidence, and alignment. And listen from Kavya how her journey has been after joining this academy, Summer Academy, after joining me and Minnie. So, Kavya, all over to you. And once again, welcome to this forum.
Thank you so much, Sonamini, for giving me such a beautiful welcome. And I have started this journey with Sonamini from the month of June, that is just about 3 months. And I have been into the healing journey from different mentors from more than 2.5 years. I was doing well, but somewhere I felt my money energies were stuck. And that's the reason I joined Mini's Money Reiki certification program. The moment I joined, something shifted within me because she was giving everything. Whenever we are going to a mentor, we get all our scripts, we get everything in a platter. But that strategy, what she used, that always be grounded and always be very, very clear with your 21-day practice. And I followed that religiously. I used to give accountability in our WhatsApp group every single day. And this actually, she used to take my stories as an inspiration. And I was so happy I could inspire so many people in the community itself. And then after Sonamini, when I started my after I did my cord cutting in spite of doing cord cutting with a different mentor, but you always have a very, very clear strategy as to how to revise the whole thing. We must be knowing 100 modalities in our life, but the moment we redo it again and again, each attunement gave me an instant upgrade. It's not about the theory part here, it's about the guidance that we get from our mentors every single day. So this 3 months journey has been an amazing one because every single day we are holding accountability to both of you, right? And that is creating that shift in us and also to our entire community members.
Yes, Kavya,
Amazing.
I've always been fascinated, and I remember that you were the one who was the most consistent. And see, the one who was the most consistent is the one who's creating the most beautiful results. And thank you so much for trusting in our energies. Okay, so let our people know that how exactly our energy inside Sona Mini Academy. The clients you attracted, were they of better energy, or was there easiness and flow in attracting them? What shifted in you that your energy to attract business, money, clients changed? And was it consistent till now? How is it going?
Yes, absolutely. The before joining Sonamini, I was always chasing clients. Whenever I used to write my journal, in the beginning of the month, I used to say that I am attracting 1 or 2 lakhs. But that time it was 1 lakh. Now it is 2 lakhs. So that time, I was always chasing clients, and if clients never used to turn up, I used to get very, very demotivated. But then after joining Sonamini, I never chased clients. Clients have come to me, and they just, without even informing, they've just transferred the amount. And it has happened so many times because I did not even, follow up with them, because the strategies that Sonamini uses is very unique each and every session. And now we have been doing the Shakti portal, which is so deep, so amazing, because every week I look forward to Wednesday and Thursday, because Saturday, Sunday, I know that I've already done, cord cutting and everything else. But then Wednesday and Thursday is always, I'm super excited to join. And even if I'm not able to join the live sessions, I definitely go through the recordings the next day. So the shift here is not about chasing here. The shift here is the ease, the money just came in. And this month also, I've already, got my revenues for the month, and I'm very relaxed. I'm more focused on my inner work, because every day I spend about 30 to 40, maximum 1 hour, probably half an hour in the morning at 5:30, and then again in the night before I sleep. Because the way you send the audio messages, it is so easy for us to, use it with our phone. We don't have to
Absolutely.
use, a
Yes.
laptop and switch on our laptop every single time. Even when I'm traveling, even if I'm just, on the bed seat
So
before
it's just like a
I just,
podcast.
yeah,
Yes, easy.
just listen to it. And it's become a habit for me right now. And my kids also, they keep asking me, Mama, Mama, are you doing meditation tonight? I'm like, yes, so do not disturb me. So they are so used to, and I've been doing the same. In fact, the EFT process is so easy. When we are talking about EFT here, it may sound very easy, but the healing which is happening is very, very deep. And I have understood this only because of, Sonamini, because I used to take EFT very lightly before. I never used to get that actual value of it with the others. But now
People just
I
scratch the surface. They don't know how to enter from mind
the
to body
subconscious.
to actually those, realms which are unseen. So bringing that unseen into the scene, it becomes so easy with this EFT.
And it is so amazing. I have been using it, and every other day I either message Sonam individually or Mini you separately, because whatever sessions that you take individually, I resonate to that because I know that you
Absolutely.
have taken that particular session, so I'm able to connect with that more easily. And then I always connect with you one on one, and I follow the guidance whatever both of you give me. So that has created an immense transformation in me, and I'm very comfortable. I'm not having that monthly pressure within me that I used to have before joining
And
you.
I'm seeing that comfort and
Amazing.
ease in you, Kavya, this
Yes, it
time.
is
I'm so
beautiful.
happy. The kind of comfort you are oozing out here in this interview also. And how are your audiences getting this? Are they also,
Your people, yes.
getting this
Yes.
energy, this charge
Yes,
through?
yes, definitely. And I have been, this entire month, in fact, I have been doing a lot of snap healings, and every snap
Wow.
healing is giving so many transformations within them. And I realized the snap healing, the benefits is so comfortable for me also and for the client,
Yes,
because
people
I'm
also.
doing it at my convenience and the client is getting the benefit, whenever it is thing. But this amazing transformation with the snap healing, and people have got back to me. Different healers from different communities are actually
Yes,
tapped.
yes,
They're like,
yes.
how do you manage to do
Link. Yeah,
EFT?
a link gets
Yes,
created.
it is
Word of
so
mouth, say
amazing.
now you are getting those people.
Yes.
Amazing.
And in fact 3 days back I did for my husband also, and without his knowledge obviously, but then I did that EFT, which is so amazing, and it has given amazing transformations within just 3 days. And I also do EFT for my hair and my skin every single day
Yes,
now.
you told
And
me.
because of you, it has been an amazing. I'm seeing results, and that the moment
Yes,
we
yes,
feel
yes.
we see the results, we really want to transform it to the audience. And I'm sure the audience is definitely going to resonate with, when you actually see a person going
When
through
you
the
actually see
transformation,
the result.
they get
Yes,
it right.
absolutely. And mind also gets that, world to do it more in your 3D world. When you see that energetic shift and see it
And
happening in the
plus,
3D world. Yes. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so,
So,
okay. Other than this, Kavya, helping you in your money energy and the ease in your business, because it's actually our nervous system safety, the safe space which becomes a pull for the business, for anything else. Okay, and then it's all up to you how much you want to create, right? There are people who are satisfied and saturated with small, then there are who want to do big and big and big. So it's all your own. So other than this, what other areas of life are you seeing the change? Like any change in your relationships, any change, any shift in your health? Health also, you told that yes, my now hair and that also improving. Anything else in health or relationships, or maybe your travels, your spiritual growth?
yes, basically, it has brought a transformation in all the other areas, and especially health. You will not believe it. When I joined Sonamini, that was the exact, I think 1 or 2 days back, I, got a personalized health coach. So me and my husband
Wow,
work out together, and it has
super.
brought so much of ease within us, because we know that we are motivating each other. And
Yes,
that's
yes.
what we have been
Bond भी एक अलग
consistent.
बनता है.
Yes, and we have been consistent. We are very, very strict with our workout. We do not make any other commitments in that particular time. No excuses, nothing. We are very, very
beautiful.
strict about that. And secondly, in terms of my own spiritual growth, I have enrolled for, I'm enrolling for these retreats, solo retreats that I'm going to be going alone for my own mentors thing happening next month. And I'm
Great.
also signed up and registered myself for all these networking events. It's not about
Good.
only about the healing journey here. It is more about spreading the awareness
Experiences.
as to, yes,
Experiences.
I am into something.
Correct.
I just wanted to spread the awareness, and the more we spread awareness, the more light we are spreading to the people around. So yes, this weekend I have registered for a all women networking meet happening in Chennai. So
Very nice, very
Amazing.
nice. Of course, other
So,
than healing, when you move out and put yourself out in the real spaces, your
that's
further
right.
growth happens.
yes.
Absolutely.
And
So, Kavya, one question to you. When it comes to money, specifically with respect to figure, how has your relationship shifted with money? How were you earning maybe 3, 4, 5 months back, and how is the position now? I now see a lot of consistency, but with respect to numbers, how do you see it now?
yes, Touchwood, the numbers are increasing. It is not gone down. So it is, every time it is increasing, and it is increasing very smoothly without any, hustle and bustle happening, without any stress in my mind. I'm able to cover all my expenses, and plus I'm able to also save and, save for family vacations and everything. And one particular session where Minnie has taken about the money DNA, I guess that
Yes, yes.
session was so amazing because she gave so much of clarity as to what is that percentage of
Right.
money that we are supposed to do, right? So that was
Absolutely. It becomes
a complete
super easy.
breakthrough.
Otherwise, when there is no clarity here, we keep wasting all the money and then we keep feeling guilty, further adding on to the trouble.
Exactly.
So it's all about taking clarity and then implement. It's so easy. I just yesterday posted now how EQ and SQ is the foundation of our life, which is not at all taught in the schools
Yes,
where it
not
needs to be taught in the initial years. I
Absolutely.
just so wish that this becomes a part of the school curriculum
Schooling.
so that
I
it
just
gets
hope so.
integrated in a child, yeah, from the very beginning, so that as mothers and fathers, they need not have to suffer and struggle.
Worry.
I used to tell my children, Ki, beta, I am doing all of this now. You are free from this. At least you have a benefit of a healed and, awakened mother.
Yes.
So I want that all mothers in India be like Sonam, be like Kavya, be like Minnie, and everybody who's investing in their spiritual and emotional growth. So lovely,
Absolutely.
Kavya. I'm so happy that here you made money, here you created confidence, here you created self-love, self-worth, self-esteem, self-identity. So thank you for raising the vibes and coming here to inspire our audiences also. Anything else, Kavya?
Absolutely.
Would you like to?
Just
Yes.
And
great.
what is, Kavya, what is that one thing that, you will call it as your breakthrough moment around this whole community? What is the biggest breakthrough that you have got from here, apart from money or maybe anything?
In fact, yesterday I got the breakthrough, Sonam. You will not believe it in your session when you said that, don't compare yourself with other healers. This has actually struck my mind so hard that I always used to see, other healers ke posts and their reels. How come their reels are going viral and not mine? That actually gave the biggest breakthrough to me that I'm doing my inner work, and the universe will give me at the right time at the right place. So this was one of the biggest things that I have learned from both of you. Yes. And I'm
Beautiful.
Right.
Thank you
When
so
that
much.
burden, that load, gets released. So see other posts just to get ideas of how we can also inspire what people are looking for, what reels or content is getting viral, so that we can also download in that context, so that we can sell only what is required, rather than wasting time and beating about the bush. But if watching somebody's content is giving you competition or comparison, then the time is to let go of the control, cut the cords
yes.
and use your own creativity. Absolutely, feeling at peace, ease, the nervous system safety is one such trait of a life coach, of a mentor, of a healer, of a guide that can actually transform the ones coming to you. And thank you, Kavya, for embodying it so
Great.
beautifully.
So grateful to both of you. And I also wanted to add one thing that, the way the academy is shaping up is so beautiful because you are combining everything under one platform.
Yes.
That is,
Yes.
it's very few of the healers are doing it right now. They are charging separately for different modalities, but both of you are creating in such a beautiful, under one umbrella, you're giving so much value to us. And it becomes very easy for us to follow it. So this is like really.
Without compromising the money and without
Yes,
compromising
Yes.
energy. Yes.
definitely.
So it's a evolution, right? It happens with the time. And I just want to convey to all the healers and coaches out there that initially the problem with the everybody seeing the established coaches want to become like them without doing that errors, without doing that mistakes. But I just let my people understand, please come, make the mistakes, evolve, embrace, and then become that who can hold space for the bigger things to happen. लोग यहाँ पर थोड़ा मिस्टेक कर जाते हैं.
True.
So,
But
Kavya, what is one advice that you give to someone who is stuck in this journey, especially when it comes to self-worth, when it comes to money blocks?
Why should people come to Sonamini when they are badly stuck
One, yes.
yeah.
in one life?
Yes, basically, just surrender completely. Don't get attached to the results. The moment you get attached to the results, and then we get demotivated. So never get attached to the results and just surrender. Things will fall in place, and automatically you will inspire the other healers and coaches.
Beautiful.
Wonderful. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
So
much.
you feel surrender is one vibration we install
Yes,
here.
absolutely.
Exactly.
Beautiful. So working
Beautiful.
without feeling burnout.
Thank you so much, and all the best to Sonamini. I'm sure you're going to reach much, much, much higher, higher.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Absolutely. As we
Kavya.
say, na, ki we are here to sustain. We are not here to just, come
Yes.
and do with it all the speed and then vanish. No, we are here to sustain. We are here to thrive and we are here to thrive all together. Thank you. Thank you, Kavya.
Thank
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
much, Kavya, for your time, for
Thank you so
sharing your
much.
piece of
My
heart. So
pleasure.
thank
I'm
you.
so grateful to both of you. All the best. Thank you.
Hoping to
Thank
see you
you.
again with much more success, number of
Definitely.
amazing, amazing breakthroughs to inspire
Definitely.
our community. Yeah.
Sure.
And I also envision to come to your communities, yeah, to
Yes.
inspire them as well.
Let's
Let's
Yes.
hope
happen.
for bigger and vast
Bigger
communities
problem.
working together. Yes.
We are
Thank
working.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.